Hi, my name is Lito. I'm a parent makeup artist and trainer of International Academy S. In this video, I will tell you about parent makeup aftercare instruction for the lips, how to apply an ointment which you will get from your PMU artist, and how you should take care about new lips at home. Pre-care and aftercare are very important because healed result depends on aftercare routine. About pre-care, your lips have to be moisturized 1-2 weeks before the procedure.
Moisture?
Yeah, definite moisture.
You can use cream, Vaseline and hygienic lipstick to moisturize your lips because if your lips will have dryness and scabs, the pigment will not heal properly. After PMU procedure, before touching the PMU lips, please wash your hands and please don't touch your lips with dirty hands. Day first after the procedure, every hour wipe off your lips with wet cotton pad from the lymph. You can use clean water or distilled water. You have to remove lymph and fluid to prevent the big crusts. Day 7. Apply tiny layer of aftercare cream 5 times a day. You can use Q-tips. After 2-3 hours, gently pat the lips with dry tissue to remove the old aftercare cream and apply new one. Please try to avoid water on your lips 3-5 days. For example, you can wash your face like that very carefully and take a shower like that.
Water!
If water gets on your new lips, don't worry, just pat the lips with dry napkin. Don't touch, remove, scratch and rub the scabs, as this could result the color healing uneven.
Don't touch anything.
During the procedure, PMU artist penetrates the skin with machine and needles and implanting the pigment into the skin. The dry healing process will be with crusts and scabs.
You can have the crust. I don't want the crust.
The crusts will appear on your new lips on 3rd day. The scabs start peeling off on 4th days. They will fall off in few days. The skin has to heal properly under the scabs and crusts have to peel off naturally. Easy explanation. Just imagine, if you scrape your knee, you don't touch the scabs, right? You're giving them time to heal. The safe healing process will be with your lips. If you scratch the crust, you will scratch the pigments too. Typically, all scabs will peel off in 1 week, sometimes it can be 2 weeks. After 1 week, when the scabs will peel off, you will see that color disappeared.
This one just has no pigment.
Don't worry, the healing process continues and the pigment will reappear on your lips after full regeneration process in 2-4 weeks. When you have to book an appointment for touch-up and color boost. The best formula of full regeneration process is your age or age plus 10 days. For example, if you're 30 years old, you can book an appointment after 30 days or 40 days.
I make an appointment.
On 3rd or 4th day after the treatment, client can have cold sore. Cold sore or herpes is typical reaction after PMU treatment. If you get cold sore, please stop applying aftercare cream. Start applying a special cream from cold sore every 2 hours. Same day, you can ask your family doctor for a prescription on anti-herpes medication. And before booking an appointment for touch-up and color boost, you can prepare yourself and you can pre-order and buy this medication. If you know that you have herpes virus, you can pre-order and buy medication and start taking the pills before the procedure, during procedure, and you can ask about this your family doctor.
I didn't get herpes, I just had a cold sore.
Please be reminded that the first weeks it's not your true result. The pigment will fade like 50 or 60% and you will have scabs on your lips. Any redness, irritation and inflammation will go down couple hours after the procedure because during procedure we are using numbing cream and penetrate the skin with the needle and PMU machine.
It's my favorite color.
The final color will be seen after 4 weeks when the skin is fully healed. Things to avoid while healing. Swim in sauna hot tubs 1 week after the procedure because your scabs have to peel naturally. That may cause peeling of the scabs before the skin is fully healed.
A hot tub?
Stop the gym exercises during 5 days after the procedure due to sweatiness and infections. Facial chemical treatment, laser treatment, retinols and any other products that can promote the skin peel off. Avoid sun and tanning 1 week after the procedure. Avoid to touch the lips with dirty hands. Protect them from the infections. No skin a few days because cold temperature can cause inflammation. No scratching the lips, no kissing 1 week. No makeup and lipstick on your new lips to prevent infections.
No Photoshop and no makeup.
No fillers for 6 weeks after the procedure. No big burgers after the procedure because you cannot open your mouth. After 1-2 weeks, you can resume all regular activities and skin care routine.
And written instruction.
Please follow the aftercare instruction to get the best result after your procedure. Recommendation for PMU artists. Please send this video to your client as an explanation of aftercare importance. There are many different protocols of aftercare instruction from different schools. Try and choose one which is more convenient for you and for your client. Please write in the comment which aftercare instruction you're recommending for your client. Hope this video was helpful for you.
Very informative.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. See you soon. Bye bye.